ZenGo wallet versus MetaMask wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare the ZenGo wallet and MetaMask wallet to help you determine which one suits your crypto needs best. The ZenGo wallet stands out with its innovative keyless security, powered by multi-party computation, MPC. Unlike traditional wallets that rely on private keys, ZenGo eliminates the risk of losing your keys by splitting cryptographic secrets between your device and its servers. This makes it highly secure and user-friendly, even for beginners. ZenGo supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and provides in-app options for buying, swapping, and earning interest. Its sleek mobile interface and hassle-free cloud backup make it an excellent choice for users seeking convenience and cutting-edge technology. On the other hand, MetaMask Wallet is a browser extension and mobile wallet primarily designed for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. MetaMask is widely used for managing Ethereum-based assets and connecting to decentralized applications, dApps. It offers features like token swapping, integration with hardware wallets, and customization through importing custom tokens. Its open-source nature appeals to advanced users, while its simple design still accommodates beginners. However, MetaMask's reliance on a single seed phrase for security might not offer the same level of innovation as ZenGo's MPC technology. Choosing between ZenGo and MetaMask depends on your priorities. If you're looking for a secure, mobile-first wallet with advanced usability and support for multiple blockchains, ZenGo is an excellent option. On the other hand, if you frequently use Ethereum-based dApps, trade NFTs, or need a wallet specifically tailored for Web3 interactions, MetaMask is the better choice. Both wallets are reliable and cater to different user bases, so your decision should align with your crypto usage. For more details, check out the links in the description below.